Welcome to the One World game. This powerful activity helps us step into the shoes of students and children around the world, fostering empathy, reflection, and a deeper appreciation for the opportunities we have. This activity will 1. Raise awareness about the different realities of education and daily life around the world. 2. Encourage critical thinking through negotiation, discussion, and analysis. 3. Help participants appreciate their own opportunities by comparing them with global situations. The One World game opens up discussions about topics such as education, daily journeys to school, food availability, and toys for kids around the world. Here's what you'll need: videos, photos, or articles related to the chosen topic, writing supplies like paper and pens for participants, a structured plan for group discussions and reflections. Now let's dive into how to run this activity. Step 1. Begin with input on the chosen topic. For example, discuss the global education process. Provoke participants with questions like, how do you feel about learning today? What's your opinion on the education system in your country or state? Step 2. Show a video or photos about the topic. For instance, the journey to school around the world. Encourage participants to observe interesting facts and details. Step 3. After watching, ask participants to write down notable or surprising facts. They can also work in pairs or groups to reflect on the social, economic, or political factors influencing the situation. Step 4. Each group shares their opinions. Others can agree, disagree, or add to the discussion. Step 5. Guide the discussion further with questions like, what surprised you the most? What were you thinking as you watched the materials? How do these realities compare to your own? Finally, ask participants to reflect on education in their own country. Is it accessible to everyone? What's the quality and diversity like? Step 6. Conclude the activity by trying to agree on a common view as a group. Why is education important? What can we do to value it more? You can explore these specific topics in the game. 1. The way to school. Discuss the time, distance, and challenges children face getting to school. 2. Food for a week. Compare the types, amounts, and quality of food families around the world consume. 3. Toys for kids. Reflect on what toys children have and how these reflect their circumstances. Each topic opens the door for thought-provoking conversations and meaningful comparisons. Finally, wrap up the activity with these reflection questions. How did this activity change your perspective? What was the most surprising or emotional part? How do you feel about education and opportunities in your own life? What can you do to help others access better opportunities? Remember, there are no right or wrong answers. The goal is to develop empathy and a deeper understanding of diverse realities. The One World game is more than just a game. It's a journey into the lives of others. By reflecting on their realities, we can learn to value our own opportunities and think of ways to create a better world for everyone.